most recipes will be incomplete without a whole roast chicken. Be it a family dinner, a Christmas gathering, or a party, it's the perfect dish. Welcome to J&J's Food Basket, a repertoire of recipes that I create. So even if you think you cannot cook, just follow along, because we bring to you tasty food and easy recipes. Watch till the end and see for yourself. Today, we will cook a complete dinner. Roast chicken that is crispy outside, tender and juicy inside, with rice on the side that is flavored with the chicken juices, all with ingredients from your own kitchen. We at J&J's Food Basket always have something uniquely creative in our dishes. Well, today I'm making a special herb butter, masala butter as I call it, which will take this chicken roast to another level. You can find the time code in the description box to directly go to the masala butter recipe. However, I would highly recommend you follow along stepwise. Happy cooking! for watching this video. You will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Hope you enjoy the recipe. Do try it out, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket.